Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Mixamo. First, navigate to the Mixamo website and log in using your Adobe ID. If you don't have one, it's quick and free to create. Once logged in, you'll see the main interface, which is divided into sections for characters and animations. This platform offers thousands of high-quality three-dimensional animations and a wide array of characters, ready for your projects. Next, let's get your character ready. Click the Upload Character button and select your three-dimensional model, preferably in FBX or OBJ format. The auto-rigger will then guide you to place markers on key joints like the chin, wrists, elbows, knees, and groin. This process usually takes less than 2 minutes. Once complete, Mixamo automatically rigs your character, making it ready for animation with a full skeletal structure. Now for the fun part, applying animations. Explore Mixamo's vast library, which contains thousands of professional motion capture animations. Simply click on an animation to instantly apply it to your rigged character. You can then customize it using the sliders on the right, adjusting parameters like arm space, overdrive, and character arm rotation to fine-tune the movement. Experiment with different options to achieve the perfect look for your scene. Finally, it's time to export your creation. Click the Download button and choose your preferred format, typically FBX, which is widely compatible. You can also select options like frames per second, usually 30 or 60, and keyframe reduction for smaller file sizes. Once downloaded, your fully rigged and animated character is ready to be imported into your favorite three-dimensional software or game engine, saving you countless hours of work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.